To debank cross-chain support, you need to understand what debanking and cross-chain support mean. Debanking refers to the process of removing or restricting access to a bank account or financial service. Cross-chain support, on the other hand, refers to the ability of a blockchain or cryptocurrency to interact with other blockchains or cryptocurrencies. To debank cross-chain support, start by identifying the blockchain or cryptocurrency you want to restrict access to. Next, research the available debanking methods such as smart contracts or protocol updates. Then determine the best approach for your specific use case. Consider the potential consequences of debanking cross-chain support, such as disrupting user activity or affecting the overall ecosystem. It is essential to weigh the benefits against the potential risks and downsides. Best practices for debanking cross-chain support include testing and validating any changes before implementing them on a large scale. Collaborate with other developers and stakeholders to ensure a smooth transition. In practical terms, debanking cross-chain support can be achieved through various methods such as implementing restrictions on smart contracts or updating protocol parameters. For example, you can use a smart contract to restrict access to a specific blockchain or cryptocurrency. It is crucial to carefully evaluate the potential impact of debanking cross-chain support and consider alternative solutions before making any changes. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively debank cross-chain support while minimizing potential disruptions to users and the ecosystem.